another view, right? According to you. One of our last views in Virginia. Shenandoah Mountains anyway. We'll be out of the Shenandoah Park today. Thankfully. And that's got to be, what's the name of the road?
Skyline.
Skyline Drive, which we've been hiking beside for, what, a week now? A week and a half now?
At least a week.
At least a week we've been hiking.
We see it about, what, 5 times a day at least?
Yeah, cross it constantly.
Coming out for third breakfast, it looks like.
Yep. We are heading out of Virginia, thankfully. But this is a lot of what it's been like. Not the Appalachian Trail, the Appalachian Jungle Trail. And I've been told the reason for that is because of the COVID last year. There wasn't a lot of trail maintenance. Wasn't allowed, and then this year it's been limited. There are a lot of areas that are weed-eated and real nice, and some areas I just haven't gotten to yet, and we do appreciate all the volunteers, of course, and it's not their fault if they're not allowed to work. We do appreciate what they've done. And you can see here, I showed this because here's an area where they have been working. So you see how much more clear it is. A lot easier hiking. So that's kind of the difference. They are working on it, just behind schedule because of COVID. And I'm sure it's like that in a lot of states, so we haven't gotten to yet. But this part of the trail is really nice here. It's like a runway. The best part of the trail we've been on yet. Alrighty. We came up to take a break on the table, and Strider discovers something. What is it, Strider?
It appears to be a mulberry tree that produces these mulberries, and they're very tasty, and they're in season right now. And
so
I'm about to pick a bunch of them and just,
yeah,
eat all of them. Everything
right.
I can grab.
Hopefully he doesn't get sick. So let's see what we got here.
Come a little closer.
Come a little closer, he says. No time for a break.
They're about as ripe as they can get. I think they get a little bit bigger than this, but this is definitely eating size, and they're ripe. So I'm just going to get a bunch of them. Like this. And then,
okay.
Even when they're a little bit red, they're still tasty. But
Let's see what you got here. Oh, you got to show them to me. All right.
I'll get more.
And they're so ripe they're falling off the tree here. Okay, let's see what you got in your hand. Wow, They do look tasty. I think they're gonna sting your lips though. No? They're good?
Really good.
Sweet.
Even with the stems on them.
Okay. Even with the bugs on them?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen better.
More protein. All right. Good deal. A very long stone wall. Which makes me think of that plaque that I took a picture of. Maybe a Civil War fortification. More of the wall. Actually, it doesn't look all that bad. Considering how long it might have been here. Be a great place to go metal detecting, which would be highly illegal. So I won't be doing it. Make sure nobody's behind me. No bears or anything. About 2 days away from being out of Virginia. Thankfully. And hey, you like my new hat? And I knew Virginia had some more tricks to throw at us. She wasn't going to let us go easily. So I don't know if you can hear them or not. Cicadas. So we have to listen to those for the next couple of days. You've been so good to us, Virginia. I'll never forget you. And I'll never be back. I don't think, unless it's an accident. Unless I get swept here by a tidal wave or something due to global warming. And no, I won't be back. They're getting louder. I think they're closing in on us. You may never see us again. Eaten by cicadas. I think I swallowed one. Actually, going somewhere, huh? We're going in a circle. He's gonna keep going in circles, isn't he? Keep walking in circles. Oh, oh. Let me not. There's his name. No, he's gonna go back and go in a circle. Back in a circle. This is our entertainment today on the trail. Watching a cicada walk in circles. This is called hiker television. We have no TV out here. We have cicadas walking in circles. Okay. One more circle and I gotta go, buddy. lady, whatever you are. Yeah, one more circle. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, that's it. Last circle. That's enough. All right.
Take the blue blaze, huh?
You want to look on there?
No, that's reopened now. We can go that way. That's for tent camping. Look, see the little triangle?
What's all that noise?
These little guys right here.
Is that what it is?
I think that one's already dead. Nope. About to die though. Doesn't want to get off that leaf.
Wow. They're loud.
So we've got another edible tree here.
Well, the tree's not edible.
That edible fruit from a tree here.
Yeah, that's a little better.
Yep. And this is a wild cherry tree that I discovered here. And there's a nice little cluster right here that you can see. I'm just gonna.
Are those ripe?
Ripe enough for me.
Oh, thought you were giving me some.
No. It's your own.
Alright.
They're pretty good.
Here's my little
It's a
cherry.
bit smaller than a normal cherry. Well, there you go.
Definitely cherries.
Yep.
And looks like the birds got most of them upstairs. They're good though.
There's a nice bright red one right here.
And we're gonna eat a few more. Yep.
Really ripe right there.
All right. Good find. Little vitamin C.
Thirsty, you got no other choice. Like, obviously, you die without water. So.
Are there like trail hedges that there's white options and there's nowhere to go?
Yeah, have you seen those? They call them blazes. You have the white
Yeah.
rectangle. Yeah, that's how we know. I think this is not. Oh, there's one right there. Yeah.
But I mean,
that's
like,
all it
that's
is.
like for like near tracking out the things like that. Do they have like options? Oh, like do they have? Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
Nice house. Lucky people.
Like, are you doing?
Pretty much follow those things.
And actually, look, probably did not have anything to do with it.
Actually,